What's good, YouTube? This Rover with the charger. And today my headlights came in. So we about to open up this package real quick. Let's see what we got. This actually the second package that came in too. Cause the bulbs for the headlights already came in. Cause they didn't come with the LED bulbs. See how this looks. And they came in way faster than I thought they was gonna come in, so. This look like it's the right headlight. But that's dope though. So there you go, we got two headlights. I ordered some new LED lights to go in. I ordered the fog lights, but they ain't come in yet. So we still waiting on the fog lights to come in. And we're gonna get them both installed. So y'all stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, like the video, drop a comment, and y'all gonna see it when it's all done, because this is about to be crazy. Next time y'all see my car, it's gonna be a whole different vehicle. So y'all tune in, man. Rover with the charger, you heard? So right now, I'm getting my headlights installed on my charger. I've been getting to run around all day about these lights. It's gonna be the last time y'all see it look like this. So basically right now we got the bumper off, because I just figured out to install my headlights, we gotta remove the whole bumper. So we got the bumper off. He said it came with the conversion kit, so it ain't gonna be much we gotta do to it. So hopefully when we done, y'all gonna see how it look. On the side that holds this in fucking place. So right down here, right where the well, that screws right into this little plate right here. Okay. So that holds this in place. You got that off right here from the side and just pull forward like that. Gotta get this off, this side part off right here. Okay. You don't need to take anything else off after that, you know what I'm saying? You just go to the other side, same shit. Okay. When you come over here to the front, you take your little shield, the splash shield right over here at the top, just pull it right off. Okay. That gets that off, and then there's 4 tabs right here in the front to pull the bumper right off. Okay. And that's how this is how you open that shit right the fuck up. You got a screw here and a screw here. I believe you should also have another screw at the bottom. Yep, screw right here. I'm already trusting your judgment, bro, because the last nigga didn't even get this far. And I'm honestly, I'm glad he didn't, bro. I swear to God, I'm so glad he didn't, because I feel like he was gonna fuck something up.
Don't hit no rims for the winner. Say she wanna fuck with a thug, I'ma get her.
So there you go.
Tim's for the winner. Say she wanna fuck with the God, I'm a sinner. Don't hit no rims for the winner. Say she wanna fuck with a thug, I'ma get her. No shade, dog Tim's for the winner. Say she wanna fuck with the God, I'm a sinner.
And then you have it. I definitely will, bro, for real. There you have it. Brand new LED lights on my 2012 Dodge Charger.
Top back with my feet up, riding through the town, we was in a 2-seater. I don't ever want the bitch to ever think I need her.